a look at that one.
Is that yours?
Exactly the same as mine. Standard.
World Rally.
Get on it. Let's feel how tall it is, Jason.
Hey, mate.
See what I mean? Told you it's tall, didn't I?
Mate, that's tippy toes. I mean, it'll come down a bit. That's unrealistic for me.
Andy, that's why I had to get the standard and lower it. This is the full rally spec that they've just brought out. So it's, the wheels are more robust. The chain and sprocket's obviously different. These are titanium. These two come in at, I think, about 15 litres. So that's 60. Well, no, they've got 20 odd, so that is a huge. But I can fit that, but that's 1,300 if I wanted to mount it on my bike. Euros. For that kit, with all that, to increase the. But then all other issues is mounting panniers becomes another issue.
Yeah.
And then this is the rally tower you can now buy for the tenner, eh?
Yeah.
Steering damper, better suspension, better brakes, steel braided brakes. I mean, it looks amazing, doesn't it?
Yeah, but I'm just like
A little bit high, but I mean that alone's 1,300.
that's a nice little touch.
Yeah, that's for rallying, isn't it? You know, when you card you put in and you get to the end of the stage.
There's going to be there's got to be more stuff on it.
So the basic bike's 13.3.
Yeah.
Then you've got the performance kit. There's different packages you can get. So if you go straight to the rally kit, which is everything that's got on it, that's 9,000 extra, 9,300 on it.
13.
On top of your stuff, that's the standard bike. Put the rally kit on it, that's what you're getting, and you're getting the rear tanks, the carbon fibre bash plate at the bottom, a few other bits and pieces. It looks cool, doesn't it? Headlights are different though on rally. Basically, that's just a racing bike that you can build it yourself. But it is nice. But these here, that's the sort of equivalent that you could have just throw over, couldn't you, on the Africa Twin?
Yeah, but again, it's freestanding over.
Yeah, but ultra lightweight, isn't it? You got no fair. You don't need a pannier frame, do you?
Nah.
But I was going to run with them, the XLs. I think they're about 18 litres pop.
Yeah. No, but you're right, Gav. A lot of them are now doing this. Coming this way,
That's
aren't
the
they?
Linden Posket limited edition ones.
Well, they go on the tins, I don't.
Der Unterschied ist nur, dass halt so Wertquelle dabei ist und da muss man halt.
Yeah. I mean, what is it? Under 10k, isn't it?
Yeah, 7.1. 500, I think, isn't it? Yeah. 500.
Das ist ja haben wir, aber nur einseitig.
Ja, genau.
Ja, wie die Mauskurve.
Und natürlich auch den Flur. Hier würde ich nicht reinpacken, dass dann die Maschine umfällt. Is that the Transel?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like that. $170.
So Jason's looking at these from Hepco and Becker, potentially the Africa Twin. Or you go, how much are they?
170.
So they're more expensive than Bartbusters,
Yeah.
which are 150.
But then I've got to take it, but these are just fit straight over the top, no messing around, I haven't got the old ones off.
Extra weight though.
Yeah, but they're plastic anyway, there is no weight.
That's metal.
Yeah, but the ones to take them off, there's no weight in that. And that might be a quick fix. Because you know how hard it was to get the old ones off. Remember when we got the old ones off and then tried to put the Bartbusters on the NC? It was a nightmare. I've got a bit of Wunderlich on my bike. I paid a lot of money for that.
I've spent a lot of money at Wonderland. Interactive tablet, so you can work out what luggage you want and the cost of it. Let's see if I click on it, and it gives me all the information about it. It's quite. Well, basically, it's a tablet, isn't it? I mean, I like it. I like this shit. I mean, if you want this bike, if you want this amazing street glide, comes in at 46,500. If you like this bike, it's going to come in at a mere 28,500. K60 Scouts, K60 Ranger. Very busy on the Honda stand.
Eric. 134 Euro.
Monatlich.
750 Kubik oder 745
euros.
Reicht.
750 on the Forza. Probably the ultimate commuting machine, I'd say. And if you're a bit more adventurous, there's the XADV, which is similar, 750 engine in it. I think it's DCT, don't quote me on it. That comes in at 13,000.
Ik vond het aan in my limit.
190, yeah, with DCT. Here's the new colours for 2024 for the Africa Twin. It's very nice. $12,400 if you want one. 2024 CRF rounded up. Only €6,500. That's on the road price.
Ach so, ein Fenster. Nee, dann passt das. Ja, sie ist ja leicht.
Under 5k.
I've never heard of this company. It's called RA. I don't know what, if they're a custom maker. I don't know who these are. It's a 125 motorcycle. It looks quite substantial. And you haven't got a full bike license, you can always have one of these.
Stevie, there's only one it class to have, big man.
On the Bridgestone off-road section, we've got the E50 Battlecross, which is very extreme. This is more adventure, I'm guessing a 50-50-ish tyre, could be wrong. And that is the AX41. And then the more, I'd probably say 80-20, 90-10 is the AX41X Battle Axe Adventure Scrambler, obviously for the Scrambler type.
Ich weiß nicht, ich glaube, das ist halt wirklich.
Ja. Ich hätte gerne Sportler gefahren, aber.
It's the Biker Bible. Okay, don't know where to start. Let's go to their adventure lineup, shall we?
Yes, quite.
I'm just going to go straight in, watch. Boom.
Die haben sie doch komplett fast runter, euer Team. Aber die kosten natürlich jetzt auch 16 Jahre. Aber wenn die jetzt wieder eine BMW haben, Das musst du anders. So, dann musst du noch gegen.
Well,
Yeah, it's just a waste of time, isn't it? Really, that does nothing, does it? Look at this little electric scooter. Let's have a look at this. Madness. So this is the CE04 electric scooter, and it is only 13,000 Deutschmarks. F900 GS 2024 model. Things I don't like about it, I heard the tank, I can't confirm, but I think it's 13 litres. And look at this. Oh, what's going on here? It looks hideous. What size is that?
7.
Ja, aber von der Passweise immer dabei. So nächstes danach.
Quite like that. I'm not going to lie, I like that.
I'm not gonna lie, I like it.
Yeah, but I like that. That's like, oh, look at that. That's like better than one delete shit I'm giving you, Jason.
Yeah, but
That's next level. Yeah. But I like that.
Is that stretchy?
Oh, look, there's a bigger one over there as well. It's like a mini. You know what? Well, hang on a minute. What's the problem with that? In real world motorcycling, what's the problem with it?
too small.
Not waterproof. What's the point then? Because what are you going to stick in that? You can't. You didn't come with covers.
Yeah, that's what you're going to fit inside is the cover.
But you're going to, well, you're going to put the cover in it, and then you're going to have your electronics in there charging, and it's going to get piss wet through.
Oh, good.
That's waterproof. Oh, that isn't. That's waterproof. That isn't.
No, so that's going to get heavy.
I mean, that's fantastic, but it ain't waterproof. They do a waterproof bag. There you go. That's waterproof. Made custom seats.
Our seat covers are fucking awesome.
We've got a new GS 1300. That is a very exclusive seat, isn't it? Look at that, all the stitching on it. I mean, you know,
Yeah, it's nice.
if you, for the man who has everything, for the GS owner that's got the bike, but
Attention
why
to
not?
detail. Look at how the W is and look at how the B is.
Are you picking it up? Are you? Hang on. What have we got here? So we're saying the W is not quite correct, is it? It's gone into See, still nice from a distance, though, isn't it?
This is more up my street, maybe. 4 grand. It's 80 k's top speed.
Let me sit on this. Hey, that's Senna's own helmet.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Let's have a look at this.
A lot cheaper than the Schubert.
So this is the Senna Impulse. So it's got quite an interesting thing. I've not seen this before.
And I like
So-
the one with the big air filter.
Integrated helmet with Harman Kardon in it. I think they're an expensive sound company, aren't they? Harman Kardon. And it's got mesh Bluetooth intercom built into it. So it looks quite slick. But there doesn't appear to be. So at the back, I don't know if that's lights up. I have no idea. And the whole control mechanism is here on the side. So it's extremely nice, very flush, very aerodynamic, I guess. It's quite nice, I guess.
No wind noise.
Yeah. Interesting.
Integrated as well. Yeah.
Yeah, with the flip down sun visor.